my fitness friends. Thank you so much for all your amazingly kind and generous messages. I want to answer some of the questions that you posted below. Will I be posting pregnancy videos? Yes! I want you to check back in July for a pregnancy video on Class FitSugar. I'm also launching a whole program on my own page, Untitled Fitness. So let me know in the comments below if you're pregnant and you're excited to try some of those pregnancy workouts. When am I due? I'm due on September 3rd, but we all know that it's up to baby Luca, right? Am I going to continue working out? Yes, of course, right? But I'm soon gonna take a maternity leave for the last few months of pregnancy. We have a ton of videos shot and ready to continue to share with you, as well as some awesome guest trainers who are gonna keep you on your fitness journey with a new Class FitSugar video every Sunday. Now, what am I eating? I still drink my superfood shake every day. Gotta get those vitamins and nutrients. I'm eating a ton of protein. My favorites are cottage cheese, yogurt, beans, meat, fish, chicken, lentils, nuts, and I'm eating berries like a rock star. Veggies are stocked up in the refrigerator, and I'm almost loving too much of olives and pickles. Weird, right? Get the jar away. What am I craving? I would have to say yogurt is my bestie right now. I can't get enough of it. I don't know what it is. The cardio that I'm doing right now is a lot of walking with hills and strength training. I mean, with an extra 20 pounds already, I feel the extra cardio challenge in just about everything I do, including the gardening. So my heart rate is usually around 65% of max during strength training, which is also some really good extra cardio. I love that you wanted to know what strength training exercises I'm doing. And I'm really focusing on upper body, back, legs, and glutes. Reverse lunges and squats are my go-tos. Push-ups, bicep curls, reverse flies, and triceps are my favorite upper body and back moves right now. The exercises that I miss the most is running. I'm sorry, hands down, I miss you, running. I also miss all the core exercises I used to do. The roll-ups, the tucks, the pikes, and planks. I want to thank you guys for all your questions. I love sharing my journey with you, and I'll see you next time.